Hi, right. This is the Wealth Hackers watch list, and with this watch list, we are using this as our trading or investing system. This document, sorry, is supposed to support or help us make an informed decision, right, on the long run, really. So let's start from what it says here. So we've got the ticker, which is just, I mean, you all know what it is, which is the symbol. You've got the name, the the 90-day chart, market cap, etc. And you could always scroll all along to the right to find your security, whichever security you're looking for. Okay, and this is everything. Right. The key important details you're looking for on the watch list are number one, the target price. So I've got a target entry price, and you can see the daily difference changes in price. So if you look at the target entry price, some of them haven't been populated, but most of them have been, and especially the target exit price as well. Okay, I've got its percentage difference here and the difference from the buy price. So the most important thing here are this in yellow. Once it hits our target price, this changes to yellow. So for example, let me just change this. I'm going to make a swap. So the present price and the markets, the good thing about this watch list is that it's tracking live with Google, the prices of the stocks. So let's look at this here. For example, you got Cinemark here and it's at 839. So if we have it below 839, let's just call it 7. Nothing happens. So it's just telling us that we've got 139 to go. Now we have it at 8. Yep, now 839. You see, it's changed. So this is an alert now. It's alerting us that now it's time to trade it. So let's just call it 45, for example. It changes again. That means this is how much profit you could have had. Okay. And that's why we have this here. So I do have it for all kind of securities, both the large cap, the mid cap, the small cap, and then we've got the ETF as well, which is just being built gradually. And finally, we do have the daily plays. In the daily plays, we record whatever we are playing, and as we play it, it gets recorded. As you can see, today, the 16th of October, for example, these two stocks have been played. And these are the names. We've got the target entry price. Some of them haven't got the target exit price yet, especially if they're long term stocks. We don't really put target exit price, but most times we tend to do it. We've got the strategy here, and the strategy is what? So I'm saying, for example, 50% at $4. If you look at this, for example, and then another 50% at $3.3 when the price hits. So here I'm saying when it gets to 2.3, hits your stop loss, which I should have put here anyway, but and then exit at 3, so target exit price. So I've actually got them all here. So that's the entry price 1.9, stop loss at 2.3, exit price at 3. One more important thing is that this has been divided according to your risk. So if you're a newbie, please do not trade. You only trade the large caps, which is more than $50 billion. If you think you're mild in terms of your experience, then you could trade the medium cap. And if you think you haven't really got much experience, then of course, only trade the low risk stocks. Okay, sorry, if you've got a lot of experience, you could trade any stocks possible from the low risk, from the low caps to extended caps really. So newbie only max more than 50 billion. If you mildly experienced, mid, and if you got a lot of experience, you're not limited at all. Finally, you could also just do a screening here. So if you go here, I've got a filter here, do a filter by color, fill color, yellow. And you can see, so sometimes if I do not update the daily place, you could just go here and you could see that's literally everything that's hit our buy price right now. And you could just reset it back again. You don't have to, because it's just going to be yours for the taking really. Okay, thanks very much. Bye bye.